Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a 2022 Empties video. And I say 2022 because I did finish these products in 2022 and let's just get into it. I'm also going to tell you guys what I thought was worth it and what I would purchase again and what I wouldn't purchase again. So I'm just going to pick out of the box. I put it all in a shoe box because that's all I had. So first off is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin. This is by Coast RX. And I did like it for the first few times that I used it, but I realized that I actually like using hyaluronic acid more rather than using this as like a moisture barrier. So I will not be repurchasing this. But it was good. Next is the Way leave-in conditioner. I'm actually surprised I actually finished this. This is a really good leave-in conditioner. I might buy it again if I don't find a better one, but I probably won't restock it right away because the smell sometimes can get a little bit overpowering. It does work well as a leave-in conditioner. It's just the smell that kind of gets to me. And if I'm really sensitive to smells that day, this kind of does not do it for me. Next is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, and I would absolutely purchase this again. I actually already restocked this. This stuff is so good. It makes my skin so soft and so supple. I almost feel like I don't need moisturizer and everything else, but obviously I still do. But honestly, this stuff is so good. Next is the Paula's Choice Vitamin C Serum. I was kind of getting into vitamin C and seeing what would be good. I do like Paula's Choice, so I decided to try theirs. It is on the pricier side, and it is pretty good. However, I think I found a better one, and that is the You to the People Vitamin C Serum. I absolutely love that one. I think I'm not gonna repurchase this anytime soon. Next is the Skin Fix Barrier. This is the travel size. I wanted to buy it just to see how I would like it because I heard, or one of my friends recommended it to me, and I absolutely love it. It is so good. I ended up purchasing the full-size one, and luckily they had a set where it came with the full-size one, a refill, and a hand cream. So this stuff is so good. I use it as my daytime face cream and it's just amazing. It keeps my skin hydrated all day long. I feel like I don't need to reapply it, and the texture feels so good. I feel like it's just a thirst quencher for your skin. Next is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. So technically this isn't an empty because I just emptied the jar and cleaned it out just so I can keep the jar, to repurpose it and reuse it. I did not like this. It was fine as in like an actual mask, but it was the smell that got me. I could not stand the smell, and I'm not sure if I just got like a bad batch or something, but it lingered too. Like, it didn't fade away. So unfortunately, I will not be repurchasing this. I think this came in those gift sets, but it's gonna be a no for me. Next is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've had this sample, you can still smell it. I had this sample for so long and I was very frugal with it. But I eventually bought the Trader Joe's dupe, which I love and I'm still using. And then I actually got, not the full size one, but like the medium size one. But I would definitely repurchase this, which I already did, because this stuff is really good. It actually keeps my skin moisturized and it smells divine. Next, it comes in a set, and these were actually sent to me a while ago, but this is from Biossance, and it was part of their dry skin winter set, and it is their eye cream, their squalane copper peptide plumping serum, and the squalane omega repair cream. And I finished all of these products and I actually really liked it. I think the cream had a little bit of a smell to it that was kind of off-putting, but it wasn't as bad. I think it's the squalane that made it smell like that, but it was nowhere near as bad as this one. So I was able to tolerate it and the smell faded away. But these are completely empty. I actually really liked it. And would I repurchase it again? Honestly, probably not. I feel like I have some other products that I like better. Not that this was bad in any way. I just feel like I have products that I like better that works for me. Okay, moving on, I have this sample of, is this empty? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Of the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This was one of the samples that I got from like, I think it was Ulta. And I decided to use it because I ran out of my other moisturizers. So I decided to dig into my sample collection and try this out. And oh my gosh, I mean, I'm not surprised. I love Kiehl's skincare. They're probably one of my favorite skincare brands. Their eye cream is literally my favorite. I've been using it, I want to say for about, geez, 6-7 years now, and I still use it to this day. But I decided to give their Ultra Facial Cream a try, and I loved it so much. As soon as I was done with this, I bought the full size. Next is the Ordinary Lash and Brow Serum. This, I did not see any results. Now, just kind of like a side note, I did mainly use this for my brows because I already had a lash serum, which is the Grande Lash. And I absolutely love that. I've restocked that plenty of times, and I probably had an empty, but I probably threw it away. So I decided to just pick this one up and test it. I tried it on my brows. I didn't try it on my lashes, but I saw no difference at all on my brows. Now, if I were to try on my lashes, maybe, but I already had a product that worked on my lashes, and I didn't want to kind of mess that up. So unfortunately, I would not be repurchasing this because I used it as a brow serum. It does say it is a brow serum, but I didn't see any difference. So, right. And then this has been like a repeat empty, I think twice now, but this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This stuff is really, really good. Again, a friend recommended it to me, and I think I bought this maybe 2 or 3 times, and it's really, really good. However, I think I found something better that works for me, which is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and the Skin Fix for sure. So unfortunately, I will not be repurchasing it this time. Maybe if for some reason the other products that I'm not using right now ends up not working for me in the long run, maybe I'll go back to that one. And then last but definitely not least, this is a Scalp Revival Scalp Treatment Serum by Briogeo, and this stuff is so good. I already have a backup, or I'm using my backup, but I absolutely love this stuff, especially on my cleansing hair days, which is when I use the Briogeo exfoliating charcoal shampoo, which is what I use today. And then I'll use this as soon as I get out of the shower. It feels so good and so cooling on the scalp, and I just feel like my scalp is so refreshed and clean. This stuff is a little expensive, but honestly I think it's worth it because personally I use it just once a week. I just use it after I use the Briogeo shampoo when I use that treatment. I don't use it every day, or I don't use it every time I shampoo. It's just kind of like a special hair care day event. But I love this stuff, and I would definitely repurchase this again and again. And that is my empties for 2022, and I'm so excited to show you guys what my empties are going to be in 2023 if I remember to save them. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.